Hi, if you want to pin apps on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings, go in the Security and Privacy, and here select More Security Settings. After that, scroll till the end and you will see this option to pin app. Firstly, just select it and enable by tapping on the switcher. So here you can see some on-screen instructions on how to use this feature, such as firstly you need to turn it on, then open an app, tap the recent button and tap the icon above the button, then select pin this app. So, for example, if someone asked for your phone to scroll through TikTok and you don't want for this person to go through your phone and open apps such gallery, notes and so on, you can just pin this TikTok app. For that, open recents, tap this icon for the app and select pin this app. And now this person won't be able to leave this application. So as you can see, I'm touching back button, home button, and they are simply unavailable, only the TikTok working. So to exit this mode, to unpin the app, you would need to press and hold the back button and the button for recents like that. And the app now unpinned and you can just close it like that. And if you want to disable this feature, just tap on the switcher and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.